Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've uploaded a couple of natural looking makeup tutorials and I'll link those above. In today's video though, I thought I'd film a party makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. This video might be a little product heavy. I want you guys to work with whatever you have. So I want to start with the eyes first because I don't want any fallout to mess up my makeup. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my NYX Bear With Me concealer in the shade Vanilla. Let's put the hair back and get to business, guys. The first thing I'm going to do is to take a crease shade. This is the Wet n Wild Be My Honey palette. And I'm going to take the lightest shade here and put that on my crease. Next product I'm going to be using is my Path McGrath Ecstasy Subversive palette. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take this yellow shade and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. I think this shade goes really smoothly and nicely whether or not you wet your brush. So you can wet your brush, but you don't have to. Next thing I'm going to do is to create a black liner. And for that, I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner. Now, if you mess up here, just like I did over here, you can take your makeup removing cleansing cream, just a little bit of that, and take a flat brush like this, and then dip into it. And just clean it. Too much coffee, guys. I had to get real close to my mirror to do this. It's never even, but it works. Next thing I'm going to do is tight line with my black tattoo liner from Loreal. Now we're going to leave the eyes here for a minute, but we're going to continue. Let's do the base makeup, put the concealer on, and then we'll come back to the eyes. For my foundation, I'm going to use my full coverage L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 130. I'll take 2 pumps of this and use my beauty blender to blend this out. I'm taking my concealer again. Let's add some color to my face. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. I'm not going to contour today. I'm just going to keep it light on the lips and in the cheeks because I don't want them to overpower my eyes. For the blush, I'm going to take my NARS Luster. I think this shade will complement the yellow on my eyes. Let's see. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. This also has a little sheen in it, this blush, which is really nice. More blush. And more blush. Now let's go back to the eyes, guys. I'm taking my Be My Honey palette again. I can open this, okay. Now I'm gonna put that light shade underneath my eyes. Now with a little tiny pencil brush, I'm gonna take that yellow shade again, and I'm gonna put that onto my lower lash line again. Now here comes the twist. I'm going to take a small, tiny brush like this. This is a Sigma E10, and I'm going to take my eyeliner, do this business, and then I'm going to create 3 dots right here. Okay, the dots are done. They are nowhere close to perfect, but I gotta tell you the truth, guys. I am not a professional makeup artist. And so this is as good as it's gonna get. Okay, it's just a fun twist that I wanted to do. Now let's apply some mascara. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess. By the way, if you do want to do these kinds of twists on your eyes, you better get a gel eyeliner, because it was really difficult to do with a pencil. Okay guys, so for the lips, I'm going to use my MAC Strip Down. And for my lipstick, I thought this would tie up everything together. This is GIVENCHY. This is from GIVENCHY. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. This is in the shade 08 Orange Magnitude. This is like a lip balm, a tinted lip balm. Okay, perfect. Last step is let's set the eyes so the makeup doesn't move. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder. We cannot forget a highlighter for the concert look. So I'm going to take my BECCA Champagne Pop. Take the hair off. Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? If you would tag your own looks in the comments, that would make me so happy. If you enjoyed watching this content, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Bye!